In this video, we are going to see how we can hide the playlist from your YouTube channel homepage. So if you want to hide a specific playlist or you want to hide all of them from appearing in your home tab, here's how you can do it. First of all, just head over to the customization section under the YouTube Studio, and then we click on the home tab, and from here we see this created playlist. You want to remove that section, and also if you have any further playlists that you want to remove, you can easily click on these three dots and click on remove the section. And basically that's how you do it. Click on publish, and when we click on view the channel, you basically don't get this on the home tab, but this will take some time. As you can see that right now we have this created playlist shown, but after some time it won't. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.